Welcome to the Sequoia Onboarding Guide. Hello, Sequoia Lending family. Ever wondered where you can find our latest marketing materials? There are usually two ways. First, download materials from SecHub, your back office portal. Second, if you can't find the materials you need there, send a request to marketing@seclending.com. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to download these resources from your back office. Let's begin. Begin by navigating to your back office. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a section labeled Marketing. Give that a click. As you scroll down, you'll come across a section titled Marketing Materials. Found it? Great! Now click on it. And voila! You're now in our Box Drive, a treasure trove of all the updated marketing materials you might need. From product flyers and brochures to ad images showcasing our funded projects, our iconic brand logo, and even a business card template adorned with the Sequoia's emblem. Everything you need to represent Sequoia Lending with pride and professionalism is right here. So the next time you need marketing materials, remember, it's just a few clicks away in your back office. At Sequoia Lending, we make sure you're always equipped to succeed. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.